Hi, I'm from SVE. In this video, we will show you a teardown of a very known brand, Intel, with the model number SSDSC S3500 series 160GB solid-state drive with an interface of 60 gigabits per second SATA small form factor with the generic model of SSDSC2BB160G4. Check out this video on how we tear down this hard drive. That's how it looks like inside an Intel SSDSC S3500 series with a capacity of 160GB solid-state drive and an interface of 6 gigabits per second SATA small form factor. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to click subscribe and like our videos to stay updated on our next episodes. You can also visit our website and store shown below the description.